He like pain. He a pain freak. Yeah. Yeah. He like pain. He a pain freak, y'all. He can handle all that shit. That ain't nothing. Yeah. He said he can handle that shit. Huh? The vetted Mustang is coming up. Oh, I ain't seen it. I ain't seen who he running.
He's running that Mustang. You know,
Be locked on. Okay, I know. That vet. That vet. Bert Gummer, you knew 2 Tiffany's too? Some of them Tiffany's be bad in a motherfucker, boy. You ever seen somebody have the same name? Like, say you knew a badass Tiffany Davis, like you was like, ooh, ah, boy, say, man. But then you met another Tiffany Davis. I shouldn't have used your name, Tiffany. I need to use another name. You might be that bad, man. Well, hell, it could go the other way too. Have you ever thought you knew the baddest Tiffany Davis and then next thing you know it was a badder Tiffany Davis? Like, yeah! Damn! I thought the last Tiffany Davis was bad. This one. Woo! That's Tiffany from the race. From the race, the guy was mixing them Slurpee drinks. Let me see. All my people watching on TikTok, y'all come on over to my YouTube channel. Y'all ain't doing nothing. What the hell? Hey! Rob One Time, where the hell you been? Boy, Rob One Time that came in here, did the fool, y'all. Damn, Rob One Time. Boy, I done got happy now, y'all. I feel like Tiffany Davis in the room. Woo! Appreciate that, Rob One Time, for the one time, baby. Baby, be there. With the 159.99. Boo! Yeah, that's here we go right here. Lookout Racing. Dile tu tío, abuelito, everybody. Yeah, that's my boy Rob, y'all. Yeah. Rob been doing it like that, trying to show everybody else how to do it, boy. Rob been, boy. Cut accumulating or something, 'cause I ain't seen it. Bet. How much? Bet 20. I'm already betting. Yeah, I gotta go to the car. I got more stickers in the car and everything. I'm gonna be ready for you. The shirt 30. Let me get it ready. Let me get it ready, y'all. Hold up. Let me get this race. Yeah, I want the vet for 20. Yeah. He said he bet with the Mustang. I'm headed there now. Let me see. Look out. Here, hold that one moment. Thank you, sir. Yeah, my boys can look out. Hold me real quick.
Where you going, the vet or the Mustang?
I'm going with the vet. Where you want, the Mustang? Okay. Vet and Mustang coming up next, y'all. Look out. I need to have both of them, but I want to do. Yeah, Rob one time, y'all, he over there in Australia. He done hit.
I'm scared.
Oh, you done scared him? God damn. Okay. Hey, look out. Got the stick on there. I see you. Let me hurry up real quick. Let me see. Can't nobody, I mean, yeah, they can, but look out, Bird Gummer. Let me go over here and get some more stickers real quick. Appreciate that, Rob, one time. Let me see. We got the Davis is gonna be bullshit. Man, where them stickers at, man? Okay. I think the stickers. Okay, there they go. Okay, I got the stickers now. Oh, them Tiffany's be expensive. Sometimes. Tiffany's used to be hot. I'm trying to think now, do I know an ugly Tiffany? Oh, I used to know one. She wasn't that ugly, but shit. She wasn't that fine either. I ain't want her. Think I only knew one. Oh shit. Look out. Oh. Here we go, y'all. We ain't missed a burnout or nothing. Uh-oh. Big race. Oh, excuse me. What the fuck? He sent the nut. Hey! Boy, Rob one time in this bitch acting a goddamn fool, y'all. Boy, say. Okay. Look out, look out. Damn, Rob done sent me another. Well, that's Suke Mike, y'all.